Hi and welcome. My name is Miriam Mukami. I am an environmental impact assessment expert and have been doing this close to a decade now. I'm also the host of Environmental Impact Assessment Mastery Mentorship Program that is launched because of the frequent questions that I get asked by young entrepreneurs who are where I was 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 3 years ago, and they would want to start their own journey of becoming an environmental impact assessment expert, and not just becoming, but to start practicing, to get clients, to be able to deliver to their clients, and to make a living out of this career. And I get several of them. I keep answering them. I have mentored a few in the past where we have had one-on-one sessions. And you find that the questions that people are asking or the areas in which people are stuck is almost always the same. It is frequent and consistent in almost everybody that I have been able to mentor or even talk to. And these are challenges, these are places where I also got stuck when I was starting out. Sometimes I did not know what to do. I wasted a lot of time. I wasted a lot of resources. I lost so many opportunities because of so many small things that I did not do. Because at some point I did not have reach out to my network, to my, the people who had gone before me to ask them what they had to do. Some of these lessons have paid them with a lot of pain of failure, losing clients, losing money, and so on. And so this program is to give the me 5 years ago the answers to the questions that she had, that she never had anybody to ask or anybody telling her. And so my goal with this program is to ensure that anytime an environmental impact assessment expert comes into my hands, by the time they are leaving me, they have acquired everything they require, the resources and tools, wisdoms and knowledges they require, that I am sure if they went out there and started talking about their services and a client came into their office, they will be able to deliver a professional and an adequate environmental impact assessment, and that client will go out happy for the services that student of mine has produced. And that is the goal, because let's tell the truth, this industry is a relationship industry. Your clients, a large majority of your clients will be from referral. And you also want clients who are coming to you through referral, because somehow they're usually filtered already. They're already filtered for you. So if you have a good referral system, if we establish a good referral, kind of line, then you're good to go. And the only way you get good referral is if in the first place you served that one client right and they are happy. They will send you the good clients. And that is what we will be doing in this program. So what does it entail? This program is structured into 2 different levels. The first level is where we are having the 6-week mentorship bootcamp. This first 6 weeks of the program, this is where you go deep into the whole entire process of becoming a master in environmental impact assessment, because I understand a majority of us are not able to go out because we are not confident in producing a good work. So the first 6 weeks, we go all in on environmental impact assessment, how to write them, how to conduct public participation, how to conduct baseline studies, how to collect data, and how to write the report. What is entailed in the report, what comes where, what is required, what is not required in the report. And by week 4, you have developed your own environmental impact assessment for the project of your choice, the project that you chose. Now, this is mandatory because it is part of the deliverables that you have to meet. Once you're done with that, then we get the last 2 weeks is where now we get into the market. Now that you have acquired the skills and the knowledges, and you now know how to actually conduct an environmental impact assessment, then how do you get the clients to come in and so that you can deliver what you have already learned? So the week 5 and week 6, we are learning about now the business of consulting. How to position yourself, how to market yourself, how to price your services, how to quote for the projects or to bid for your clients, how to launch yourself, so that by end of 6 weeks, you are now going to launch yourself in the market as an environmental impact assessment. At this point, if you had not acquired your certifications and licenses, you should at least have done the applications and you have attached everything, so that you're waiting for these certifications to come in so that you can fully launch yourself in the market. So you launch your social media platforms, you speak out to your clients, you go out, you've already developed a plan and a strategy of how you're going into the market, and then you get into the market and hopefully get your first clients. After the 6 weeks, you have launched yourself, right? I will not let you go because I know there are still many things that you have not yet learned. I know that when you go into the market, you will go into the market, you will market, you will sell, you will create content, you will speak to people for 2 weeks, and then nobody will respond, nobody will like, nobody will even comment, and then you feel like giving up, and then you'll be like, maybe I'm not even qualified for this, and so you'd want to give up. I know, because I have given up so many times in this industry, I know the frustration. So because I cannot almost predict you're going to give up after a short while of being in the market, that is why I don't let you just walk out after the 6th week. After the 6th week, you join a private mastermind. Now, this is the second level of the mentorship. This runs throughout the year. This is where, in that mastermind, now which is group work, remember the 6th week, it is me and you. Me and you. We are having 2 meetings every week. We have 2 sessions every week. Me and you together. Now, this next phase of the private mastermind is where now we come together as a group. Me, you, and others who are in the program, we come together and we have sessions where we are talking about what we are experiencing in the market. Remember, by now you have already gone out to the market. Maybe you have gotten your first client. You come and share with us the experiences. Maybe you have gotten your first client and you want somebody to help you. Because in that mastermind, there are people who can help you, and now we are training to be actual experts. They may help you with public participation. They may help you with the report writing. We may be able to help you out with the pricing. You may have priced several runs, and I'm like, that one you are the charge to yourself. And so we grow together as a group now for the rest of the year. So this is where we realize, oh wow, we do not actually know how to market our services, say on LinkedIn. And so I will look for somebody who is actually knows and understands how LinkedIn works, how content creation on LinkedIn works, and I will bring them into our group where we will learn from them on how to go ahead. Then maybe next time we'll realize, wow, it is tax season and we want to know about the taxes, and we do not know how we do not have a professional within us to teach us on taxes. So I'll invite a tax expert to come and talk to us about taxes. Maybe the next time there is a new regulation or a new draft that has come in, or there is something we don't understand, we might invite an EMA officer to come into our mastermind and train us on that particular place that we are getting stuck. So you cannot not join the private mastermind, especially in the first year. It is free. The cost of being in the mastermind is covered in the 6,000 Kenya shillings, or the 78 US dollars that you already paid in the beginning. So that is what you will be learning throughout the program. Remember, at this particular point, if anything is so personal you can't wait, you still have access to me. You can always book a call with me. And then here is where now we have, like I said, is a private mastermind. We have a compulsory monthly checkup. This is where we have a day, we come in, we check up, we see how we are doing, and so on. And then we determine the goal for next month. We go out, chase our goal, hit them, and then we come back and see how we are doing. So we have to have a compulsory check out or check on sessions. This is where you come and tell us what you have been going through, what has been working, what is not working, and so on. And of course, in addition to the one compulsory meetup, we will have now experts coming in on specific things that we will design, or we will decide that we need to work on this. Maybe we need a little training. Maybe you'll ask me, how do you get clients? Or maybe something is still not working. Maybe there's a new, a new development in the industry. We come and have these sessions for for the next year, the next 12 months. It is you and me in that private group. Me talking to you, you talking to your fellow classmates and students, and growing together. So that is my design, my mind, my structure around this EIA mastery program. Like I said, it is because I have gotten so many questions and I do not know how else to help, how best to help. This program has been designed from the inquiries that I have gotten, and so I am trying to ensure, and I think that any question that I have been asked is not just asked by one person, but there are several people with the same question. So I have designed every class, every training to answer those questions for us all. If you still have a question, please reach out in my number, my email, reach out and provide your inquiry, and we shall move on together. Now, the registration is below. Once you click the enroll button, or the button to take you to the registration, you'll be taken to the page where you need to do your registration. So enter your email and your first number, I believe your phone number. Once you're done with that, you will be directed to the payment page. Like I said, this program is not free. I believe it can't be free with all the value that is being provided here, right? And all the time that I will spend with you, it can't be free. So what is going to happen? You will be required to do a payment. So the payment page is provided. The fee is 10,000 Kenya shillings. If you are not paying in Kenya shillings, it is 78 US dollars. So convert 78 US dollars into your currency, rand, naira, or whichever currency you're using. Also, the payment processes is provided below. You can use your card, you can use your phone, different payments methods have been provided below. Once you have done your payment, once the payment has been done, of course, you get an email with your receipt, your payment receipt, and so on. But it is until you have done your payment that I will give you access to these classes. You cannot have access to materials, you not have access to these resources if you have not done the payment. So please complete. Several people register, but they never go to the next step, the third step, which is the payment. So the first stage is here, then the second one is the registration, and once you finish registering, make sure to go to the third phase, which is the payment. And once you have done your payment, you have access to the programs immediately. I hope to see you in class, because this is going to be life changing. This is going to be life changing. The people who have walked through my hands in the past have seen it, and they are eating the fruits. I have several people who are already now full-time practicing. I even actually sometimes have to call them, be like, hey, man, send me a project. I do not have anything at hand right now. So I want us to get to that level together, and I believe we will if we work together. I will ask you to do a lot. Other than just the payment, I will ask you to be committed to this process. I will definitely require your commitment. It is you who is going to do the job. It is not me to give you the clients. I will not give you the jobs. I will not give you the projects. I will not give you the clients. It is for you to do this. Mine is to walk with you and hold your hand as you get out there and make a success of yourself. So I will see you in class. If you still have questions, send them to me.